Have an AMY file from Amyuni PDF Tools? This is a document file from Amyuni PDF Converter and related applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to work with these Amyuni PDF Converter document files. If the standard fixes fail, I have a plan B, a proprietary technique that almost always works on stubborn AMY files. AMY files are document files used by Amyuni PDF Converter and related document processing applications by Amyuni Technologies. They contain document data with formatting content and processing parameters used in PDF generation, conversion, and manipulation workflows for business document processing applications and software development integrations. Amyuni AMY files use a proprietary format storing document content with structured layout information, formatting properties, and processing metadata. The format follows Amyuni specifications, enabling integration with PDF conversion engines and document workflow applications supporting various document transformation and generation tasks. The best utility for reliable viewing of AMY is known to be Amyuni PDF Converter by Amyuni Technologies. Dedicated software is required to correctly unpack and rebuild the file structure. Windows may open the file, but full formatting and layout control demand compatible editing tools. Let's verify the file's compatibility against known readers. Right-click the AMY file and select Open With. Test Amyuni PDF Converter if it appears. If not, choose another program. Different software handles the AMY format uniquely. If the AMY file still will not open, there is no need to stress. If your file remains inaccessible, it's typically due to one of three common pitfalls. Let's review this straightforward list of culprits and verify their status right now. First, opening in Amyuni software. Launch Amyuni PDF Converter or related Amyuni applications and use File then Open to load AME documents. The software processes the document content according to its purpose, generating PDFs, converting between formats, or performing other document operations as configured in the application workflow. Next, converting to PDF. Use Amyuni PDF Converter to transform AME documents to standard PDF format for distribution and archival. The PDF output works with all PDF readers, including Adobe Acrobat Reader, providing universal compatibility. Configure conversion options, including image quality and font embedding for optimal output. Finally, inspecting file contents. Open AMY files in hex editors or text editors to examine file structure for technical analysis. Readable strings and structural patterns may reveal document organization and content. This approach helps understand file format characteristics when documentation is unavailable for development or migration work. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.